going on YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. I know what you're thinking, Francesco, same outfit as last video. That's disgusting. But guys, it's same day vibe because we are just absolutely cranking out content. We are, you know, seeing the apartment for the first time and then also moving in same time. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I got through the airport with all this crap, but it's a big day today. We have to move as much stuff in as possible before I go to Ohio. So that's what we're doing. This bag is extremely heavy. It's weighing me down. I don't have an elevator to get up and we have so much stuff to move in. So it's gonna be a big day, lots of movement. Let's get it started. Oh gosh, all right. Oh, this thing's like a body bag, holy crap. Oh, all right, bag one, done. Bag two, done. We just started. I'm winded. All right, keep going. All right, so what's pretty nice is that my backpack was at least just stuff that is like kind of work related and YouTube related. This actually has clothes in it. So, oh, and a blanket, nice. Let's get started. My hair looks ridiculous. I feel ridiculous. I have so much to do. Okay, let's keep going. Again, as you saw in the last leg day video, Adriana, the real one, she also got me a nice little parting gift. My first coffee cup in the apartment. How special. Here we go. So let's keep going. And yeah, time lapse time. All right, like I said, all the computer and work stuff's in there, so that's gonna stay chilling. So right now we're gonna go back to the parentals and get more and start bringing clothes on over. All right, I'm like telling you, but I'm also telling myself. Hey guys. All right, I gotta keep moving stuff, okay? You're adorable. Blue, we're going to a new home. All right, is my room an absolute mess? Yes. But we don't care right now. All right, I'm gonna take all these clothes and let's get out of here. Yeah, all right, big gulps. All right, so we got, remember how I mentioned I have a bunch of laundry? There it all is. And then I got random crap in here. I need to bring my bags with me so that way I can pack all the small stuff in the bags. Be more efficient that way, right, Blue?
Yes!
That's what I'm saying.
Hell yeah!
So, yep, we're loaded up. Let's get back to the apartment. Bro, you can totally tell I'm Hispanic. Look at the way I packed this bad boy up. Ain't nobody got skill like that but Hispanic people. Okay, we got all these hoodies and stuff right there. Hats are there. We got all this random stuff, bandanas, Nacho Libre mask, fanny packs in there. Laundry all in one place now. We're taking these 2 bags back with us. Oh, I gotta take that home too. But yeah, so round 1 is done. We have like only 87,000 more to go. I totally lied, round 1 is not done. I forgot about all these clothes. Frick. Okay, now round 1's officially done. Dude, I'm legitimately sweating. This is terrible. Anyways, big gulps, am I right? Round 2 has officially begun. Also had to get energy drinks for the podcast. Episode coming soon. We have those out there. Actually, the episode will be up by the time this is out. Anyways, shoes and stuff in there. We got some small furniture back there. We're gonna drop this off, and I think we have to go hit the storage unit next. So nothing to it but to do it. All right, throwback project is right here of the side table. Got that nice and moved in. We have all the shoes in place now, so I'll show you guys that really quick. And we'll still do a full apartment video after this. But look at them. Finally reunited with these bad boy J's. Got it this way. I'm prioritizing it based off like what I don't want Blue to eat. So I care a lot about my Nikes and my leathers. Got to keep those out of his reach. He shouldn't do it, but you know, weirder things have happened. But round 2 done. I'm going to the storage unit now to grab a table. We've called in the reinforcements of Christian. We have load 3 in here, some drawers for my bed, some extra bags of clothes. Now we're going to the storage unit. You know, I make a plan and then it just immediately changes. The consistency is great. Honestly, nobody does it better than a couple of Latin guys, right? Mantanos. Look at that, dude. Pretty much got a whole storage unit in there, which is like a whole house in a storage unit. We're just the kings, dude. All right. Now, We put cousin Enrique there with Uncle Eduardo there and Aunt Lena there. Like, we all fit real good. That's how we got here. Anyways, let's get to the apartment. All right, the 2 white Fords are here. All right, let's unload. Wait, come back over here. Scoot over take a step to your right. What? Just stand up straight. No, I threw that there. Stand right. Stop. Come look at this. No, stop. Get off your tippy toes. I'm not on You are on your tippy. Stand. Go back on your feet. I have half this clip of you standing normal. You're on your tippy toes. On the Bible. On the Bible.
On Frank's life.
I'm on my tippy toes. I'm not on my tippy toes.
Just grows an extra 5 feet.
Go back. Stand normal. All right. I'm learning how to use a dishwasher. Mom's running the laundry. All right. All the glassware is now unpacked. This is got another 8 hours. Pops showed up. We have Chipotle. And Mom's cleaning in there. We're gonna smash some food, recover, and then Christian and I got a podcast to film. All right, it's podcast time. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, so we just finished the vlog, or the podcast for this. We're back in vlog mode. We ate the lunch, the Chipotle, the new chicken, absolute gas. But shout out to Dad. He brought over the extra drawers. So now I have to get my bed frame, actually, for my bed. Hey, there he is. Dad, you can finish the rest of the ghost now. But yeah, so we're all hyped up on Mountain Dew now. Pops is here looking like a stud. Mom's hiding somewhere behind the counter.
Cleaning your cabinets.
My mom's cleaning my cabinets. My mom's the best in the whole world. So is my dad. All right, there's so much caffeine in my body, I don't know what to do. Frank's through it. Now we got Pops doing this real quick.
Oh, man. That's polar piss right there. Polar bear piss. Okay.
What do you think? Weren't those bad? Those are so bad. Pops thinks so too. Fun fact, Celsius makes the worst energy drinks. All right, anyways, back to the vlog. All right, Brother Bear's out of here. I appreciate you.
For sure, dude.
Love you, buddy.
Love you, man.
All right, I got to put together a bed. Mom's still cleaning. Frank's going to drink all of those and let us know how he feels. And it's a good Sunday. All right, so as you can tell by the outside and the lack of natural light in here, it has been quite a few hours. I've had Mama Bear here.
Hello.
And Pops and Brother Bear Christian helping out. So pretty much we got most of the kitchen stuff unpacked in place. We still got a bunch of stuff to wash because it's been in storage for 8 months now. Yeah. What does this light do? Still nothing. Hall light. Let's show some progress in the bedroom. Creepy. So the big thing we did is getting the bed frame in place now. Shout out to Amherst being the worst moving company of all time. They did not call me and tell me that my stuff wasn't going to be delivered today, even though they promised me, which is the only reason why I booked with them. So if you're ever moving cross country or period, never used Amherst. But we have this here. We got some clothes in the drawers as well. The mirror is now here. That was a sick rhyme. We got the shoes laid out like we saw earlier. All the clothes are in place. We got the gym gear there. Fresh, clean laundry. The bathroom is looking pretty good. I still need a shower curtain, and I do have one, again, on the way from Florida. But Amherst sucks. Is that all we got for the video, Mom? Is that all the major stuff? Oh, yeah, laundry room and stuff is in here. We did nothing in there. So, yeah, that is where we currently stand. I'm currently packed up and packed out, ready to go for, where am I going?
Ohio.
Going to Ohio, that's right. So I got to travel literally tomorrow, 2 hours. Going to be in Ohio for 3 days, so pray for your boy there. But yeah, between the podcast review and all our moving boxes, this is the trash right now. Still got some pots and pans here, some stuff going home there, but we crushed it.
Yes, I still got to finish it, but hey, we got the kitchen cabinets, the doors, everything clean.
Everything.
Spick and span.
Mom to prove. Oh yeah, and here's my closet. We got some fresh coats now, so I don't have to always use the same one. But yeah, yay. But that's pretty much it. Day one in the new apartment, done. Michigan living. I think we're going with, what did I say? Casita de Chico? Casito. Can I say casito?
Casita.
It is casita. I can't make it a no?
No, because casa is female.
Okay, Casita de Chico is under commence. I think that's the name we're going with. But I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Throw on the post notification so you can see the Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday vlogs and the Monday podcast. And make sure you're sending all those videos to your friends and family. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.